I'm Dalam Meherban, and I'm a professional graphic designer. I specialize in streetwear t-shirt and hoodie design, along with logo design, focusing on bold, dark, and modern apparel graphics created according to each client's brand vision. I work with both vector and raster artwork. For clean vector designs, I use Adobe Illustrator, and for detailed, high-impact streetwear graphics, I mainly use Adobe Photoshop. The design you're watching right now is a dark streetwear graphic design, created specifically for hoodies and t-shirts. Modern streetwear design demands a raw, edgy, and realistic vibe. That's why these types of designs are usually developed in Photoshop. They are bold, layered, detailed, and visually powerful, just like high-end streetwear brands. Every part of the design, the theme, typography, layout, colors, and graphic elements, can be fully customized based on the client's needs and brand identity. No matter how complex the concept is, I always work with full focus, professionalism, and international design standards to deliver premium quality results. To help clients clearly visualize the final outcome, I provide realistic t-shirt and hoodie mock-ups, so the design can be seen exactly how it will look in real life. If needed, I also create manufacturing production tech packs, including design size and placement, color codes, print type, fabric details, and other essential production information, so factories can produce the design accurately and efficiently. I mainly work on streetwear t-shirts and hoodies, dark aesthetic designs, typography-based designs, minimal and vintage styles, and all types of custom apparel designs based on client requirements. If you're looking for an experienced designer to take your brand to a premium, modern streetwear level, then you're in the right place. Contact me today. I'm fully ready to work on your brand. Visit my portfolio and explore my work with confidence. You can also contact me directly on WhatsApp. +880-1737795166. Even after final delivery, I provide lifetime support because ensuring quality service and client satisfaction is my responsibility. Thank you for watching the video.